Hey everyone, this is Tamara. I'm here to open the BOXY GiRLS with you guys. I've been so excited and I've been waiting to open it with you. So today we have Brooklyn. Here she is. I love these dolls because of their boxy eyes, and she has such the cutest dress on. So this whole entire collection is a doll that loves shopping online. And so they have all these little packages that they can get. They get them in the mail, and we're going to open them up. So a little bit from BOXY GiRLS, Fifth Avenue, New York City, to Brooklyn in San Francisco. She weighs 1.5 pounds. I love that they even put shipping labels on them. So here on the back here, it shows Brooklyn, and says Brooklyn hearts snapping pics of her fave food and anything colorful. You'll never find her in all black. Brooklyn's closet is packed with colorful heels and fruit print dresses. Alright, and this is the other side. Here on the top, there's a tear strip. Here we go. And here's Brooklyn out of the box. She's got pineapples for her background. Love it. Excuse me while I get rid of that. Let's get Brooklyn out of her box here. Alright guys, here's Brooklyn out of the package. Oh, her little foot. These are very articulated. The only thing is at the elbows they don't, but their shoulders, their hands, they got their knees, their hips, all move, and the head. So there's Brooklyn. I'll have her sit for this video. Alright, so with Brooklyn came 4 little packages. And I love that even these packages have little shipping labels on them. And you can see it says to Brooklyn from BOXY GiRLS. So let's go ahead and open these up. Alright, now that we got these boxes open, we'll go ahead and start seeing what Brooklyn ordered. Here in the first box, ooh, flower prints, and it says Posh all over the box. Inside, get a little sticker. It says Smile. Another one that says enjoy these new fashion finds. You're fabulous. XOXO BOXY GiRLS. Got some little confetti. Ooh, look at this. In here, a little watermelon purse to go with her dress. Alright, next package. And just adjust that there. Another Posh. This sticker says, I heart flip-flops, which is true. I heart flip-flops. Thank you for your purchase. Some confetti. And in here, ooh, we got some silver boots. That Brooklyn can wear at another time. We'll put those right there. Next box. This one also says Posh. Inside, sunglasses. And shop till you drop, which is what I think she did today. Ooh, this is pretty. A little seashell purse. Doesn't match the dress she's wearing now, but I love it. Last box. Still Posh. It says Foodie Freak. And thank you for your purchase. You're beautiful. This one has tissue paper. Ooh. Some earrings. And a little bracelet. We'll get those put on her in just a moment. Alright, so we had the earrings. Here, let me see if I can put these on here. She does have the little earring holes already. Earrings. Alright. And her little bracelet. Looking good. Alright, have her sit back down. Now on to the fashion packs. Brooklyn just couldn't help herself. She got some more. So let's start with this one. Alright, so in here you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes. 5 small ones and 1 larger one. So I'm going to go ahead and take all these out. I'll open them and I'll be right back. Alright, I got them all open and I wanted to show you guys on here. Like this one is to Brooklyn, but in these fashion packs, they go to all the 4 different girls. So this one's Brooklyn. You got one for Riley, and I'll show you who these are. We got Brooklyn here. That's Riley, Willa, and Nomi. Got one for Willa, Nomi, Brooklyn, and Nomi. So let's see what they got. Alright, first box. Ooh, this one says cute and has little flamingos inside. Got a heart sticker. And it's wrapped up in tissue paper. Oh, look at this. It's a little compact. And a little brush. So she can do her makeup. Oh, also in here there was another sticker. Ooh, like a speech bubble. You can fill in your own. Alright, next box. I heart this. And from Boxy Girls, enjoy these new fashion finds. You're fabulous. XOXO Boxy Girls. This one is posh. Oh, look at this. A pink dress. It says for Brooklyn, but I know she likes to wear fruit on her dresses. Alright, next one. This one's to Nomi, and it's cute. Aw, look at these little heels. They're purple with a little bow on the back. I didn't even see the stickers yet. Foodie Freak. And some lipstick. Alright, next one for Willa. It says luxury. Thank you for your purchase. You're beautiful. And another one you can fill out. It says love this. Whee! Ooh, and in here we got some fancy gold sandal heels. Those are cute. Next one. This one says cute on the inside with pineapples. Stickers. We got some sunglasses. And enjoy your new fashion finds. Oh, look at that. It's like a little disco ball purse. And some star earrings. Alright, last one. This is the large one. To Brooklyn. It's posh on the inside. See our little card. Thank you for your purchase. And shop till you drop sticker. This one's pretty big. Oh! It goes, it's a crown. Let's see if we can get that on her. Oh, didn't want to stay. There we go, now she's got a crown. Alright, last box. She did some more shopping. Let's see what she got. I'm going to open this up, take them out, and cut them open, and I'll be right back. Alright, we're back. Same as before. 5 small boxes and 1 large box. So let's start here. This one's to Riley. It says cute. Our sticker. It's a high heel. Enjoy these new fashion finds. You're fabulous. Oh wow. Look at this dress. That is pretty. I don't know if you guys can see the sparkles. It's red and black. Alright, next box to Riley. We got a bow and I heart flip-flops. I still do heart flip-flops. Ooh. We got some gold hoop earrings like what Brooklyn is wearing. Some lipstick. And a little makeup palette. Ooh, and it looks like a cat. And this does actually close. You can open it again. Next one to Willa. Luxury. Have a heart. And thank you for your purchase. You're beautiful. Oh, this is cute. It's a little rainbow purse. That's adorable. Next one, a Nomi. Smile. Shop, unbox, repeat. That's what we're doing. Look at this, they're little purple heels. Next one, this one's for Brooklyn. More shoes, please. I think we got a lot of shoes here. Enjoy these new fashion finds. Oh, look at that. It's a little top. It's like a tank top. That is so cute. Alright, last one. Big one's for Willa. Got a little tag you can write in. Thank you for your purchase. You're beautiful. Alright guys, last thing. Sunglasses. That's so cute. They're like little cat eye sunglasses. I think Brooklyn might want to wear them. Alright, so that's everything. Brooklyn really did go on a shopping spree. We'll have to get some of her friends, and then I'll be back to unbox one of them, at least, and the other fashion packs. There are 4 fashion packs total right now. Alright, so if you liked the video, subscribe. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you'd like to see me unbox in the future. Bye!